Hi guys, it's Keith with Arkenberg Farms. Today I'm going to take you into the shop. Well, actually I don't have a shop, I got a shed. So, I guess I'm going to take you outside and we're going to build some crates for the market stand. These are where we display our vegetables in, set them up like this, set them up like this. They're very simple to make, lumber on the sides, bunch of slats. Let me show you how. Now here is the basics of these crates. It's just simply a piece of 1x on the edge. This is 1x10. The ones I'm going to make are going to be 1x12, so they'll be a little bit taller. A bunch of lath glued and stapled on the corners. Overall dimension 12 inches across here and 16 this way. So we'll go ahead and start producing them. Now I measure off my 11 3/4 across. That way, with the saw blade taken out of it, I'll be able to get 8 full pieces from this one 8-footer. If I went a full 12, I'd end up with one piece that was too short to complete a box. That's pretty simple. Just mark across, set up your saw, and go at it. Do that and repeat all the way down. Next, we get a bundle of lath, about the thickness of our fence, so I'll butt up to it, mark a line of 16, and cut through it all at once. We got a bundle of slats for our box. I'll just keep working, cut the rest of these out, and show you how to assemble. Now assembly is pretty straightforward. What I do is I look for the cup in the board, which it goes up like this, and I want this to be the outside. That way when I set it down on a table upwards like this, it's not going to rock. If I put it this way, it's like a rocking chair, and they'll wobble in the wind. So what I'm going to do is take it, put my cup out, and clamp it into my workbench. That's just so it can hold it up for me. And then I'm going to use crown staples for this. They're just 1.5 inch U-shaped staples. And I'm going to shoot those 2 per board. And I'm also going to put some glue on it too. Now to start with, I'm going to put glue on the back. The first 2, I'm just doing top and bottom. And then I'm going to fire 1 staple just for now in each. I can take it out of the clamp, get my other side up here, and get it ready. Again, cup outwards. And again, just 1 staple. Now that I got 1 staple in each, I can actually go about and square the box. By using a regular old square. Once it's squared, I can shoot the rest of the staples in. I'm just using 2 per slat. And then I'll continue on with the rest. Now that I got the top and bottom done, I'm going to fill in with the rest of my slats. Same thing, glue first. Lay out all the slats. I'm going to fill this in completely for this one, instead of leaving the sides open like the one I showed you at first. The reason why is because it blocks out more light when they're sitting there with the produce inside of it. It keeps more light off it, keeps the bags from steaming over, and looks a lot better. Just as simple as that. I got one side complete, and I'll continue all the way around. Now about 10 minutes, got my fully completed crate. I went tight all the way around, like I said, to help keep the light from getting through at market. These are the ones I built last time, which worked just as good, but they let a little bit too much of a light through in the back, and it caused the bags to show some condensation. To finish them off, I keep it simple. I get a bottle of spray cooking oil and just spray them down, let it soak in for a while, give them a quick wipe, and they're done. Now, this is just the first box of the set. I'm going to make 2 more. They're going to be slightly smaller so they'll all nest into each other so they can pack easy and not take up as much room in the van. Okay, I got them complete. Made 3. They're all nestable inside of each other. So very easily take them to market, set them up, get a vertical display area, and then when I'm done, nest them back together. Simple, easy, fits in the car nicely. Hope you guys like what you saw here today. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank y'all. Have a good day.